I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
I'm not mad with the police at all. I ain't upset with you. Your job is to catch me. My job is to not get caught.
I'm trying to understand a motherfucking great bitch. Separate stay the same, and you know I never take shit. I don't talk about it, I just spit it at the basic. You don't really wanna be the one to have to run up, turn and face it. You motherfucker really wanna be the best step back. I'ma be the one to get a motherfucking jump into the best to the rest so quick, go down. Doing it slow, not giving a fuck. I'm taking them all, wanna pop out, and fuck, and I'm gonna back, swing, wanna back, fuck back.
I'm in Mayfair and I just ordered split. Can't see me in this blacked out whip. Fair a 10 but the top is mid, it's good. And back that I take these risks. Shit then collars the LV kids.
If you see red lights, that means stop, okay? If you see green light, that means go. If you see blue lights, that means you better blow your engine trying to get the hell away from it.